My colleagues and I have been visiting frontline workers across various sectors, the healthcare sector, social service sector, preschool, transport, education, construction, hospitality, service sectors. And they have worked tirelessly. They've worked tirelessly over the Lunar New Year period so that Singaporeans are safe, feel a sense of assurance. And on behalf of all Singaporeans, we'd like to thank them for their hard work, sacrifice, and selfless dedication. Equally, we are encouraged and heartened by the outpouring of support from many Singaporeans who, in spite of these trying times, step forward to do their part in various ways, from appreciating the sacrifice of our frontline workers, speaking up for them, standing up for them, to volunteering to help the vulnerable by calling out discriminatory behavior. All these efforts count. One example would be Grab. Grab is announcing today a new service called GrabCare, which is a dedicated, round-the-clock, on-demand service to help our healthcare workers to get to and from hospitals and healthcare facilities. They will start on the 14th of February with the first phase to help healthcare workers from Tan Tock Seng Hospital and the National Centre for Infectious Diseases, NCID, to get home and go to work daily. And this will be progressively expanded to include rides from home to more hospitals and healthcare facilities. We're told that some 90% of Grab's active driver partners have told them that they're keen to be part of this pilot service and want to play a part to support our frontline workers, help them get to and from work, and to show them that we care for them. Another example is the Youth Corps. Many of our charities and social service agencies are facing difficulty getting volunteers to help carry out some of the services that are needed to support vulnerable Singaporeans. So for tomorrow and the day after, 13th and 14th of February, the Youth Corps will be out in force to help Willing Hearts, which is one of our food charities, and Dignity Kitchens, to distribute meals to seniors and to vulnerable and low-income households who depend on Willing Hearts for some of their meal supplements. A third group is two companies. They're outdoor camping facilitators. They've been affected by the cancellations of school camps. One company is called InnoTrack, another company called Future Ready. Tony Tan from InnoTrack and Delane Lim from Future Ready. They decided that they will do something about the situation, and they came together to get masks and hand sanitizers distributed over a 1 to 2 week period to seniors, to elderly people, and to help spread basic hygiene messages to support them. And so these are just the tip of the iceberg of the kinds of actions that are happening under the surface, whilst many of us are preoccupied with the impact that the virus has had on patients and on people and communities. There is that ground-up initiative on their own, some in partnership with government, in partnership with agencies, to make a difference. So these people are not sitting tight. They want to step forward and see what part they can play sensibly in these times.